Everyone, welcome to this video lecture topic on speculation. Speculation is a method of short-term investing whereby traders essentially bet on the direction on assets price will move. Speculation is an important function of the stock exchange. Speculation means purchase or sale of a commodity with a view to earning profit from future price changes. Let us see an example. Technically, anyone who buys or shorts a security with the expectation of a favorable price change is a speculator. For example, if a speculator believes XYZ company stock is overpriced, they may short the stock, wait for the price to fall or down, and make a profit. It's possible to speculate on virtually every security, though speculation is especially concentrated in the commodities, futures, and derivatives market. This is an important example for speculation. Let us go to the speculator. Who can do the speculation? This is called a speculator. I mean, a speculator is a trader who approaches the financial markets with the intention to make a profit by buying low and selling high. This is he is a speculator. Few example: speculator believes price of foreign currency, purchase the currency, holds it, resell later, profit on each unit of foreign currency. I mean here speculator can buy for the lower price and hold for a few days. Hopefully we can sell in a future once the prices will increase. So this is what speculation. Now let us move to the different types of speculators. The first one is bull, second one is bear, third one is stag, fourth one is lame duck. These are all the four important categories or different types of speculators are in speculation. Let us move to the bull. A bull, also called as Tejiwala, as an operator who so hopeful of price rise in the near future in anticipation of price rise, makes purchases of shares and other securities with the intention of selling them at higher prices in future. He is speculator who expects the future rise in price of securities. He buys the securities to sell them at a future date at the higher price. He is called as bull because his activities resembles as a bull, as the bull tends to throw its victims up in the air through its horns. In simple, the bull speculator tries to raise the price of securities by placing a big purchase orders. Bear. Bear is nothing but a mandiwala. On the other hand, is a speculator who is worried of fall in prices and hence sells securities so that speculator may buy them at cheap price on future. He is a speculator, expect the future fall in prices. He is called as a bear because his attitude resembles with the bear, as the bear tends to stamp its victims down to earth through its paws. In simple, the bear speculator forces of prices of securities to fall through his activities. Stag. A stag is that types of speculator who trades his path very carefully. Stag speculator applies for share in new companies. and expects to sell them at a premium if he or she gets an allotment, selects those companies whose shares are most in demand or likely to carry premium. Here, in the stack, sells the allotted securities at the premium and makes profit in simple. He is cautious in his dealings. He creates an artificial rise in prices of new shares and makes profits. They are a very intelligent way a stack can trade in the stock market. Let us move to the lame duck. A lame duck is nothing but a stressed bear when Bear finds it difficult to complete his promise and labeled as a lame duck. He is a speculator when the beer operator finds it difficult to deliver the securities to the consumer on a particular day as agreed upon. He struggles as a lame duck in fulfilling his commitment. This happens when the prices do not fall as expected by the buyer and the other party is not willing to postpone the settlement to the next period. This is what we discussed about the speculation and the different types of the speculator. Thank you.